In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll on Slack. If you've ever wondered how to quickly gather opinions or make decisions within your team, a poll can be an incredibly effective tool. With Slack, it's as simple as a few clicks, and in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the seamless process so you can start using this feature immediately. Let's dive in by opening Slack. You can either use the desktop app or a web browser, whichever you prefer. Once you have Slack up and running, take a peek at the left sidebar. This is where you'll find the More option, marked with 3 dots. Click on it, and you'll be introduced to a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select Tools. Once you're in the Tools section, you'll see Apps. Click on Apps, and we'll be one step closer to setting up our poll. Now, you'll notice a handy search bar. This is your gateway to accessing tons of apps that integrate with Slack. Type in Simple Poll and search. Simple Poll is an excellent app that allows you to create polls with ease. Once you find Simple Poll, you'll need to install it. Look for the button that says Install. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to add to Slack. By clicking this, you're essentially giving the app permission to work within your Slack workspace. It's straightforward and secure. Now that Simple Poll is installed, you can create polls directly within any chat channel in Slack. To do this, navigate to any chat window where you want to conduct your poll. Whether it's a public channel, a private channel, or direct message, Simple Poll works seamlessly across the board. Creating the poll is as easy as typing a command. Use the poll command in the chat window, and then simply type out your question and the possible responses. For example, you could type something like, "Poll, what's your favorite lunch spot? Option A, option B, option C." With that, your poll is ready to go, and other members of the channel can start responding. Using polls in Slack is not only a great way to foster engagement, but also to drive quicker decision-making within your team. It's versatile and ensures that everyone has a voice in the discussion, no matter where they are. We've now reached the end of the tutorial. Giving your team the ability to weigh in on questions and decisions can truly enhance collaboration. That's the magic of Slack and tools like Simple Poll. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital workspace. Happy polling!